Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a shared calendar, ICSURL, to Google Calendar. This is a great way to subscribe to external calendars and keep all events updated automatically in one place. Now let's get started on the Google Calendar dashboard. To add a shared calendar ICSURL to Google Calendar, all we need to do is find the plus sign in the Other Calendars section. Click on Add Other Calendars and then choose from URL. If we already have the URL, we just need to paste the URL here so we are subscribed to the calendar. Then click Add Calendar. There may be a permission step. Once permission is granted, we can add the calendar to Google Calendar. That's how we add a calendar ICSURL to Google Calendar. With this simple setup, we can stay organized and never miss important events from other calendars.